This is Ashley McNulty. I'm with Coldwell Banker, and I'm sending this video because I have a listing at 13820 Daltrey Lane that is, we call it going live. It's going live tomorrow, but I am holding an open house on Saturday, and I wanted to extend a special invitation to you and all of your neighbors, just in case maybe you know someone that might be interested in moving to the area, or quite frankly, you just want to take a look and see what your neighbor's home looks like. So I'm holding what I call a Snoop party, and love to see you there. Saturday the 13th from 1 to 2 is neighbors only. I will have some refreshments, and then from 2 to 5 is a general public open house. And here's a little sneak peek for you. Take care.